Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to make an angel string figure. This is a string trick tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a rather small string. Well, it's a large string, but I've doubled it up. I've double looped it because it makes the angel string figure look a little bit better because it's a bit thicker. So you're going to start off by getting that string, and you want to place it along your palms around your pinky and your thumb. Once you've done that, sorry about that, I have something in my mouth. Once you've done that, you want to pick up the palm string with your index finger, just like that. So each of the palm strings get picked up with your index finger, just like that. Now we have this figure right here. As you can see, that's what it looks like. I'm going to take my thumbs, I'm going to go over the first set of strings, and then under the next ones that I have access to. Just like that. Now I'm going to rotate my hand so that you can see this right here. Now we have this lower set of strings right here around the thumbs. We're going to actually take that lower set of strings around the thumbs and we're going to remove it. I'm going to use my index finger like that to remove it like that. Just like that. Okay? We're going to tighten it up like this. Now we're going to release our pinkies. Just like that. Okay, and then what we're left with is this figure, and there's this loop in the middle right here. If you take either your ring finger or your middle finger, it doesn't really matter, and you pull up on the loop, that's going to be the head of the angel. Around my index fingers are the arms, and then at the bottom is the lower portion of the angel. So you can see right here, this is the angel string figure right here. You can see we have the head around the middle fingers, we have the arms around the index fingers, and then we have the lower half, which can be a little bit wider if you want, around the thumbs. And that's it. That is my very simple angel string figure, a simple string trick tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.